Yeah. 1, 2. Let's hold it for 10 seconds. 3. Okay, it's starting. It's restarting.
I see your face in there.
Press it and then keep on holding the F2. Yeah. Press F2 to go to BIOS. Yeah. Yeah. Press. Yeah, see? You go to BIOS. See? Okay, wait. And then we can set the, what do? We set the password.
How?
Go to the security tab. Look, here's the security tab. And then there's a password. Set up super password. For example, we can set a temporary password. ABCD. ABCDE. We will have to remove it later, okay? ABCDE. And then press enter. And then go to the boot, and then you scroll down to security boot, and then disabled. Okay, and then we go to save the changes. Save changes. And we start. Yep. And then so now we can put into the Ubuntu now without having that security boot fail issue. Yay. Yep, see, and then once we're done,
4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Yeah.